A storyboard is a sequence of sketchy drawings that give instructions for the animation scenes of a script. Each frame represents planned out shots for production. However, when you aren't an artist, a text-based storyboard can work well. A text-based storyboard is a written outline describing the animations and graphics you intend a video to include. These visual ideas are written alongside the actual script, organized slide by slide or by timestamp. The storyboard can sometimes be as important as the actual script and serves to give direction to the animator and even the voiceover talent or sound effects department. A storyboard isn't a necessity if you plan on leaving the creativity up to the animator or are doing the animations yourself, but it can help if you are planning out an in-depth, larger-scale video with a higher budget production cost. Always consult the animator first to find out their capabilities and limitations. Marking up a script. When writing a script, it's important to put emphasis on certain words to get your point across and make certain words stand out. That's why when I write a script, I will sometimes bold, capitalize, or italicize words when I want to give a certain weight or power to them. This can carry through to the voiceover for a more engaging voiceover read, and also help the animator pick out certain words that might need to stand out within the actual video production. Just don't go crazy marking up every single word, because doing that will be repetitive and cause all of your emphasized words to lose strength.